Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to add internet in Packet Tracer. We'll explore the essential steps to simulate an internet connection within your network topology. This process involves using a cloud device to represent the external network and configuring a router to act as the gateway. You'll learn how to connect your internal network to this simulated internet environment, enabling realistic network simulations for your studies. To begin, you'll need a few key devices. First, drag a generic cloud device from the WAN emulation section onto your workspace. Next, select a router, for example, a Cisco 1941 or 2911 model. Connect the cloud to one of the router's fast Ethernet or Gigabit Ethernet interfaces using a copper straight-through cable. This establishes the initial link to your simulated internet. Now, let's configure the router's interface connected to the cloud. Navigate to the router's CLI and enter Global Configuration Mode. Select the appropriate interface, for instance, Gigabit Ethernet 0/0. Assign an IP address, such as 203.0.113.1, with a subnet mask of 255.255.255.0. Finally, activate the interface using the No Shutdown command. The final crucial step is to add a default static route on your router. This route tells the router where to send traffic destined for networks not explicitly listed in its routing table, effectively pointing it towards the internet. Use the command iproute 0.0.0.0.0.0.0, followed by the next hop IP address, which is the cloud's simulated gateway. Then, test connectivity from your internal network using ping.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.